first time namin talaga gusto po talaga namin sumayaw sa ASAP. And we are really grateful na ASAP noticed our video and gave us a chance to showcase our talent.
Yes, super fan talaga ako ng ASAP, like, for how many years? Like, I can still remember na kapag nagpa-practice kami laging pag Sunday, dapat Sunday after ASAP ang practice. And then, yun nga, parang we had that hashtag na Road to ASAP. Then when we saw the ad nun sa ASAP, so I invited everyone to create a video para sumali dun sa ASAP Mobile Challenge. So yung first video namin, medyo epic fail. So, nag-record kami ulit ng second video wherein we had someone to edit it. And then we had the entire community promote the video. So, ang dami nag-share. Umabot kami ng almost 30,000 na views. And yun nga, and we are so thankful and blessed na na-notice kami ng ASAP. And we had this chance to perform on ASAP Chill Out. I'm one of the co-founders of Indak 24/7 Dance Force. So it started 10 years ago. Yes, the first name was Move. And then, ang daming company na Move yung pangalan. So we just to change. Then it became To The Flow. And since medyo walang dating yung To The Flow, Chico thought of relaunching the dance community, and then we launched as Indak. So, it stands for Innovative Dance Crew. Yes.
Pero sa dance, ito na ba kayo? Ito na ba yung Indak?
No. This is the, mas malaki pa po. So, this is the core of Indak 24/7 Dance Force. So, it's a dance community in our company, which is 24/7 Customer Philippines. So, marami kaming communities sa company. Merong basketball, dance community. So, there's a lot. So, it's our company is very supportive in terms of our passion and talent. So, isa na dun yung community namin. Yes, our company is 24/7 Customer Philippines. So, it's an intuitive customer experience company, similar to IT company. And then, since we promote hashtag The Life We Share, sinusuportahan niya yung mga employees to have their own communities.
So, aside from dancing,
Yes. Football, andyan yung Cagers community. For parents, meron kaming moms community. Yun, tapos meron din kaming a lot more to offer for our company.
for your mobile video, sino lang choreograph, collaboration ba ito? Ano niya po?
Siyempre yung chorus itself, so, and then it's a collaborative effort of the entire group. So, parang, isa sa'yo, 1/8 sa'yo, 2/8. So, and then, one day lang kami nag-practice nung Saturday. Hapon. Tapos, after morning practice, lahat kanya-kanya. Kasi, wala, ako, naghanap kami ng costume, si Chico, naghanap ng sapatos, nagparash kami ng print, yun, and all.
Aside from joining the ASAP Mobile Challenge, what other things na ginagawa niyo to enjoy ASAP? May mga shows, mga gigs, or...
Normally we do have gigs naman, internal and external. Also, of course, in normal na work namin. And then we also join contests. This year we'll be joining Protocol 2017. It's an BPO dance company. Dance competition. It will be held in Tanghalan, Pasigueño. So there.
Bakit dancing? Like, personally, syempre, pero ano na nabibigay na pagkasayaw sa inyo?
Well, for us, dancing is, it's more than passion po eh. Kagaya ng sabi namin kanina, we're being supported by our company. So it's one way for us to distress because we get with the kind of work that we do, sobrang, somehow we can't avoid yung stress, yung puyat and all. And when we dance, stress and we feel like, renewed and working na kahit we're working, we get to share our talent and napupush namin yung passion namin.
Anyway, what's your message for ASAP? Feeling group yan.
For the final question. No, from the bottom of our hearts, we in the 24 Dance Force would thank ASAP and ASAP Chill Out and sa lahat ng mga tao na bumubuo ng ASAP dahil isa sa pangarap talaga namin na maging ASAP kapamilya. And with this today, officially, at least natawag kaming ASAP may kayo talaga, ladies and gentlemen, your ASAP kapamilya. Minsan ka lang matawag kasi na ganon. So, we would like to thank ASAP and more power to you, more power to sa lahat ng dance community. Shout out to all the BPO dance community out there. Sa lahat ng employees ng 24/7, thank you for your support. And keep on dancing. And as you always say, let's all be a blessings to one another and let's all help beat Energy Gap. Let's go.